pandemic hit, I had to shut my doors for months. I was not sure if my boutique was going to survive, especially with being a young company. I needed funding that did not require a business plan. I was basically still in the startup mode. I actually got approved for more than I needed, and now I am more than ready to weather the next storm. Thank you, Potomac Mutual Trust.
Very excited to share with you that you can get up to $25K today. Transparent terms and industry-leading early pay discounts. Our terms and rates are very easy to understand, unlike many banks. And if you pay off your capital advance within a year, you get a significant discount on your rate. Yes, online immediate approval. It's a very simple, easy process. No hard credit inquiries. Receive funds same day or the next day. If you get in your application and get approved by noon that day, get it that same day. Otherwise, you may get it in the morning or sometime during the next day. You work with a personalized account manager. You can draw more funds as you pay. So if you pay off the first capital advance and you need more funding, we'll help you get that funding. I'll go over a couple bullet points here. How it works. On the left-hand side, these are the items you need to get approved immediately. 5,000 plus monthly bank revenue, business checking account, 6 months in business, 450 plus credit score. All industries are included. Middle section. Get funded 2 to 25K with our breezy online easy application. Link online banking, review approval terms, sign agreement online, receive funds. This all happens very quickly. On the right side, pay and draw more. Payment history earns you more. Save with early pay discounts. Receive funding again. Add-on funds available. So what happens if you need more than 25K? We got you covered there too. Just click on this button for large funding application on our website. Brings you to our mainstay, David Allen Capital website for business capital advances. You can receive up to $2 million this week. Simple and fast. Receive a decision within 1 day, and capital between $10,000 and $2 million as soon as 1 to 2 business days. So it's very fast approval, very fast capital again. We represent only the top best rated providers. They actually compete to bring you back the very best rates. Use the funds as you choose. It's a non-collateral business capital, and our rates and everything is spelled out, very transparent, easy to understand, unlike many banks. So again, we're very excited to share with you our new initiative, our business funding for the smaller business. Get up to 25K today, instant approvals, and also same day funding if you get your approval in by noon that day. Otherwise, it's the morning or sometime during the next day. Very excited, so please click the description below the video. If you're on a cell phone, it's a little harder to find, but there is a description down there. And then you'll see our website. Click the website link, and then come here to our website, click this button, get up to 25K today. As you can see, the form couldn't be simpler. It's a simple form. Fill this out. Take a photo of a couple items that they're going to request, and then you will be well on your way. If you need help within, well, there you go. Right there's a pop-up chat screen. You can chat with somebody and they will help you out.
I have been a wedding planner for almost 25 years. It's my passion, and I love being able to assist clients with making their special day as perfect as possible. But when the pandemic hit and weddings were postponed, my income came to an abrupt halt. I needed help fast. I received an instant approval and the money I needed to keep my business going. Thank you, Potomac Mutual Trust.